Hi, I'm Jeff with Mill Renew out of Tacoma, Washington, and today I'm over at Russell's Custom Cabinets, also in Tacoma, Washington, and I'm going to be installing a new Cantech 10-foot sliding panel saw. I'd like to point out this is the first Cantech 10-foot sliding panel saw that Russell's Custom Cabinets purchased. This is the second Cantech 10-foot sliding panel saw that Russell's Custom Cabinets purchased. This is the third 10-foot sliding panel saw that Russell's Custom Cabinets purchased. It's called a D405ANC, and if you like what you see here and maybe would like to purchase one, get hold of Cantech. You can find them, Google them on the internet. It's called Cantech America. Give them a call and ask for Vic or Steve, and tell them Jeff with Mill Renew out of Tacoma, Washington sent you. When you calibrate the controller on this thing, what you do is you make a cut on the rip fence, and let's just say it's a 10-inch cut, and you measure the cut, and it's 10 inches. To calibrate it to 10 inches, you press the calibrate button, and then it says calibrate. Then you would enter 10 inches, and just simply hit the calibrate button again. Anyway, it's just that simple. And if you want to watch a video on these things, go to the Cantech America website, and they have a great video on the D405ANC. All I wanted to do is show you the technical part of how to calibrate it. Anyway, it's a great saw. If you're interested in something like this, like I say, get hold of Cantech America, talk with Vic or Steve, and tell them Jeff with Mill Renew sent you.